Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to make a $5,000 website in just 1 minute for your auto shop in Go High Level. This is using the software High Level. I'm a Go High Level affiliate, so if you do click my link, then I may get a commission. All right, if you don't have a website, this is perfect for you. If you have one and you're looking to get a new one, this is also perfect. Or if you just had the software High Level, you can see what else it can do for you. And there's so many other things. There's so many other things we use High Level for, as far as collecting leads, managing leads, reputation management, and so on. Anyway, let's go over to High Level. All right, guys, here I am in High Level. Once again, I'm literally in the software. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you where to set up your website, how to set this up in a minute, 1 minute, guys, literally 1 minute. All right. So first off, over here on your left side, this is my right. Over there on that right side, look over there. Over there. So over here, you got this thing called sites. We're going to click on sites. There's a lot of things to do here, guys. So just click on sites where I tell you to go. Now, we got this thing called funnels. Funnels are good. We're not going to use that right now. We got websites. And of course, if you notice some of these templates in here, I've already got these set up for you in my Auto Shop CRM Snapshot. Do you want that? It'll be in the description or comments below. And you can just get that for free and load this up right away. All right. So here we got websites, and I'm gonna, let's see, when should I start the timer? We got to figure this out. So first off, this will be your longest piece here, is figuring out what websites you want. Now we've already given you in this snapshot, I've already downloaded all the Auto Shop websites for you. So if I click in here, I've got a bunch of these already in there. I've got 4 pages of these, but that's right there. Let me show you. You can also go in here and click new website, click new website. Don't do it from blank. You do not want to do that. That's a lot harder. Make it easy. Let's just start easy from templates. Go in there from templates, continue. Now, right away, you're going to see all these templates. Right now, it shows 585 templates. This may depend on the account you have. So you may not have all these templates. If you don't have them, once again, get my CRM snapshot for free. So here we go. We got automotive templates. Here this has 37, and look at these. These are actually pretty cool. We can scroll down. This will probably be the longest part of selecting your website. So look at all these. There's all these cool websites right here. And let me just click one real quick. This one is actually pretty cool. You can click preview. Let's do preview really quick, and you can see exactly. Okay, so look at this. Now keep in mind, some of this is fake content. Oh, you're gonna have to change it. It's easy. Just click in there and change the words a little bit. But honestly, some of this stuff you don't even need to change. Trusted experts in brake and muffler repair. You can just put in auto repair, right? It's easy, super simple. So a lot of this stuff you could just leave. And here you're gonna have to change some of these things. But if we scroll down, look at this. It's pretty cool. Here's another one. Let's see, new websites, templates. Some of these have some really neat features that if you scroll down, I think there's a detail. Okay, let's look at this detailing guy. I think this one, I'm trying to find, there's basically some that have these automations, these little, okay, see how it flew in there? Let's scroll down. Okay, check that out. That is awesome. See how that does that? It just flies in. These are really advanced features that you're going to get. Now, if you don't want all that, you can disable it, but let's actually use this one because that's pretty cool. And again, it says detailing, but you can change it to whatever you want. So let's go ahead and do that. Now I chose my template. So let's go ahead and what we're going to do is we're going to use this as our starting point. I found the template. Okay. It's the hardest part to do. Now let's start the timer. Boom. So first off, what you're going to do, go up here is click choose template. It's adding the template to your account. Now you have your template already loaded. Here's what it automatically pops into this little builder. And I'm just going to quickly show you this. You scroll down any of these places, you click in here and you can change the words, the size, all that stuff. We're not going to do that today just because that could be an hour's lesson. I just want to show you how to quickly set this up, connect it. I'm going to go ahead and click save first. Then you're going to go over to the top right corner. You're going to click publish. There's several ways to do this. First, you can already add your domain. Right now, I don't have a domain connected. So let's go here and click connect domain. Now your domain is the name that you're going to use for your website. Let's say it's bobsautoshop.com. Whatever your domain is, you're going to connect that. If you don't have it, you're going to need to purchase it. You can purchase it in here, but honestly, my recommendation would be to purchase it outside of High Level. That way you have a little bit more control. and then you connect it to your account. But here's what we're going to do. We're going to connect your domain. Let me go back to domains just in case you go there. Click back to domains. Here's what will happen. My recommendation is go to something like GoDaddy or somewhere else, whatever your domain provider you want. Set it up that way you have access to it. Click connect domain. And here you got all these that you want to do. We're going to do funnel, website, store, webinar. So you can connect that right there. Now enter your domain. So whatever your domain name is, you're going to enter that. I've got this one called autoshopdigitalmarketing.com, but I'm not going to make it the main one. I'm going to make it a subdomain called test.autoshopdigitalmarketing.com. And whatever your name is, you're just going to put that in there and then just click continue. If you can connect to your domain provider, just click continue. See, it found my provider is GoDaddy. All I got to do is click authorize domain, guys. Authorize it. It's going to do everything for me. I don't have to do anything, right? So it's going into my account. Now, a quick tip is you're going to have to log into your account earlier. That way, I already logged in. It made it super simple. Just click connect right there. It's going to add everything for you. Look at that. Test is now your lead connector domain. Lead connector is the piece that Go High Level uses. All right, close that. Now it's authorized and it's setting up all the little DNS updates, setting up all the little deals, all little things in the interwebs. Guys, I connected it right there. It shows external domains, but nothing's connected. So let's manage that and click connect. It's going to show you. Click website. There it is. Test website. Boom. And home is the default page. Leave that alone. Everything else, 404, you can just go to home. Click proceed to finish. Okay, we're all set. Let's go try it out. Let's go copy this and paste it in there. Boom, guys. Look at that. Our new website is all set up. Look at that. Test.autoshopdigitalmarketing.com is set up, ready to roll. This is a $5,000 website just set up for you in a minute or so, about a minute, maybe a few minutes. Now, obviously, you're going to have to change these things, but you have your website all done. Let's go back in here. Now you can go back over to your sites, websites, click in here. In each page, you can click edit. I'm just going to show you this so you can see it. It's pretty easy. Again, this lesson is not going to be all about editing the site because that can be hours long. But here, what we're going to do is we can change this stuff. And I'm just going to put professional auto repair shop. And we're going to say premium auto body shop and just delete that. We could also put collision. Look at that. Collision repair. Okay. Now, of course, the pictures don't necessarily line up with that, but I wanted to show you how to do that. So you're going to want to click those, and every place in here you can change just by clicking it in there, deleting that, and updating it. Super simple. And then when you get done, make sure you click save up at the top and publish, and it will be published to your page. Any of these things, you can click in here, you can click over there and delete. You can click that button, delete it right there. I don't want that. Schedule. Just click that. Oh, it's gone. Boom. Pretty cool. Gift cards. If you don't want any of these, you can just click delete them. Community garage. We probably don't want that. Delete that thing, you know. But if you want it, it's cool. So then in here, if you want to change this to your own picture, just click in this little image, and over on the right, you're going to see that image deal. I'm going to click. I think I have a picture set up in here we can use. So here we got Auto Shop Marketing Pros. This is just a demo logo. So we got that one. And then I could probably make this smaller. I could click in here. I could make that, if I do like 200, I can change that there. So see how I did that over on the right side, doing that. So all these things, obviously we're going to want some other things for these buttons. So you're going to want to go ahead in here and change this stuff. If you have this form, you can click this form and you can actually connect this to your forms. So here, this is just a fake form for now, but you're going to want to add stuff. And again, all this is very simple. Up here on the left side, you can click plus, and you can add different things that you want to your page. So that is the super simple way to get a high-end website right away. And besides that, you're going to want to integrate and connect your forms and your surveys, your get quote buttons. So click save there and make sure you click publish in that upper right-hand corner. section change is made. Okay, yeah, save it. So you do want to go in here. They give you little pointers to where you can add stuff. They tell you stuff to do there. So make sure you add your title, description, author, all these items. Make sure you add that. Make sure you click publish. I'm not going to do it right now. And once you do that, you're going to want to add your surveys that we talk about in this snapshot. Let me just show you one that I highly recommend you use as a survey builder. In here, we give you a get quote form. This can be, we got stuff set up for dent repair, just basic quote request detailing. This new quote request form is very high end, and we're talking, you plug it in, you get pictures. So you can change this to auto body collision or auto repair or dent repair. You scroll down. Each of these will be separate little sections. So you can use these. Here, we give you the chance to upload pictures, and all this is straight from your website. Then once you have this set up, you're going to want to connect the workflows in here that we have. These workflows where we do automations. We do automated text, automated emails, voicemails, and so on. So many automations that you can use to automatically send things to customers, send things to your team, and just respond to customers, let them know what's going on, request reviews, reputation management, and so on. All these things are right here in this software. That's what's so good about High Level, guys, is that you can create your website, you can connect it to your domain in literally a minute. I just showed you that. You can set up your reputation management, which we talk about in a different video, set up your get quote form, your contact forms, your widgets. Let's see, you got your chat widgets there, and then and so many other things here. So this one, let's just take a look at this chat widget. You can plug in right to your website. See that right there? Right to your website. You're going to have looking for your auto body services. You're going to have that in your website. You can change this little picture, change all this stuff. So customizable and so easy to do. And this is what you want to do. But more importantly, then you have opportunities where you're tracking leads. You're tracking leads in this pipeline. This whole pipeline is super customizable. It's going to help your shop to track customers, track new leads coming in, track business and customers who are in the pipeline at the various stages, and send them automated text and emails and updates, and then send review requests at the end. All this whole system just ties together so that you can grow your shop without having to worry about all this. The software makes it easy. Of course, you do have to set it up correctly and do it. The big thing, guys, for this video was setting up a $5,000 website in 1 minute on Go High Level for your auto shop. And of course, it works for any other business as well. There's so many templates in there that you could use. If you need our snapshot, click below in the link or in the description there and get that set it up right away. And if you need help with any of these things, of course, we can help you set this up for you, whether it's through our software or through yours. We can set it up for you. Don't have to worry about it. Work on your website, work on your ads. Of course, the next step would be ads to drive traffic to your website. But your basic thing is you need to have a website for your business. And I just showed you how to make one in 1 minute. So there's zero excuses. All you got to do is get the software, set this up in 1 minute, and you have a brand new professional website ready to roll, ready to rock. You saw me literally take it live in a minute. So it went from nothing to something in a minute. I got to make some updates to it, but it's on there. It's good. So there you go, guys. If you like this content, click like and subscribe below to get more of it. And if you need our help, you can also go to autoshopmarketingpros.com and click schedule to schedule a call with us. All right, guys, take care. God bless. Bye-bye.